there! Today I'm going to show you how to easily connect the Eazybe Chrome extension to your HubSpot account in just a few steps. Let's get started! Step 1. Open the Eazybe extension. First, open the Eazybe WhatsApp Chrome extension. On the main screen, click the Integrations button. Step 2. Connect to HubSpot. Next, click the Connect to HubSpot button. This will redirect you to your HubSpot login page. Step 3. Select your HubSpot account. Once logged in, choose the HubSpot account you'd like to integrate with Eazybe. Step 4. Grant permissions. You now will be asked to approve the required permissions. Click Accept to allow Eazybe access to sync your WhatsApp chats with HubSpot. Step 5. Viewing WhatsApp chats in HubSpot. After the integration is successful, you can view WhatsApp chats linked to your HubSpot contacts. Click the View WhatsApp Chats in HubSpot button from the extension. Alternatively, you can access it by opening a contact in the HubSpot Contacts section. Step 6. Filter Activity. To see your WhatsApp conversations, click the Filter Activity. Ensure the WhatsApp Activity option under the Communication section is selected. Step 7. Done! That's it! You've successfully connected Eazybe with HubSpot. Now all of your WhatsApp chats will sync seamlessly with your HubSpot contacts. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy integrating!